In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join ishowspeed official Discord server. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Discord account on either the desktop app, the mobile app, or the web version at discord.com. The process is the same across devices, and you won't need anything besides your account and a stable internet connection. Start by opening Discord. On the left sidebar, you'll see a list of servers you're already in. Look for the small plus icon, often labeled Add a Server. That button is how you join new communities. Go ahead and click or tap it. When the menu appears, choose Join a Server. This option tells Discord you're trying to enter an existing community rather than create one from scratch. Selecting it will open a field where you can either paste an invite link or search by name. In the field provided, type ishowspeed. Take a second to double check the spelling so you land on the right community. As results appear, look for signs that indicate the official server, such as a recognizable server icon, a large member count, or verification badges if available. There can be lookalikes, so be cautious and don't click suspicious results. If you're unsure, you can confirm the official link from verified social profiles or the creator's official pages and use that in the same join field. Once you've found the correct server, click or tap Join Server. Discord may prompt you to accept the server's rules, which is normal for larger communities. Read through them and accept to continue. Some servers also use a quick verification step, like reacting with an emoji or completing a simple check to unlock all channels. Follow the on-screen instructions. It usually takes just a moment. After you're in, take a tour. Browse the channel list on the left, starting with Welcome or Start Here channels. Check any announcements for important updates and visit rules or guidelines if you need a refresher. You can also customize your notifications so you're alerted about the content you care about without getting overwhelmed. If the server allows it, set a clear nickname so others know who you are, and always avoid sharing personal or sensitive information in public channels. That's it. You opened Discord, used Add a Server, selected Join a Server, searched for ishowspeed and joined. Enjoy the community, be respectful, and have fun exploring the channels and events. If the server ever changes its name or verification flow, the steps are the same. Use Join a Server, confirm you've found the official community, and you're good to go.